KLP LLP welcomes you to the Engagement Organizer tutorial video. This video demonstrates how to use CCH's Engagement Organizer. What is an Engagement Organizer, and why do we need to use Engagement Organizer? The Engagement Organizer is a cloud-based tool which allows users to upload and access documents in real time. It is used as a primary tool to request documents from the clients for audit, and also acts a planning tool. The organizer is a user-friendly interface, used to exchange files through a secure portal. It allows both clients and auditors to easily track the status and update open requests. We will demonstrate in this tutorial video how to use it step by step. Assuming KLP is planning for the audit of company XYZ. The auditor in charge AIC prepares the list of documents required for audit through the organizer, and sends an email request to Ms. Ying, the client. The client, Ying, will receive two emails as follows. Email 1, an initial email will come from noreply@wolterskluwer.com, from the auditor in charge as shown in the video. Email 2, this email provides the link to access the binder, and also instructions on how to access your organizer. You may need to check your spam folder for these emails. KLP would have already set up an account, and hence would provide the user ID to clients. To set up your account. Step 1, click the HTTP link from the second email for the browser to open. Step 2, an internet browser will be opened for setting up the profile for the Engagement Organizer. Click on Continue. Step 3, the client needs to verify the email address first. To do that, you need to confirm the email address, and click the Send the Code button, to obtain a one-time password, OTP. The OTP would be sent either to the email, or through a phone call. If the email option is chosen, a notification will be sent from Wolters Kluwer for the verification code. Step 4, key in the verification code received, and press the Submit button. Step 5, after submission, the individual's profile page will be shown. Any changes to the account can be made at this point in time. If no changes are expected, insert the following details, that is login name, email, and password. Click Complete button to update the profile. What if the client is an existing user of Wolters, or has already registered previously, but need to just log in subsequently? In this scenario, the client need not go through the entire process, as shown previously. All they need to do is to click the link from the second email sent by the auditor in charge. The system will request for login ID and password as shown for authentication. Complete the information and click Login button. A verification code will be still sent for verifying the sign-in either through email or phone call. Once the verification code is received, key in the code, and you would successfully log into the Engagement Organizer. Uploading files or documents. In order for you to start uploading the files or documents for audit, choose the Attachments button or Upload button. A pop-up box will appear. Drag and drop the files from the system into the pop-up box, or browse for the selected files and upload them. Once the file is selected for uploading, its name, size, and the date on which the file is uploaded will be displayed. Once you have added the attachments or notes, the main page will look different. You can see under the requested items every item added, details about the file or document, details on notes, and other details will be reflected. Once you are satisfied, you can hit the three dots button next to that item, and then mark as complete. Lastly, the most important step is to remember to click the Send button. Without clicking the Send button, the attachment will not be updated in the server, and auditor in charge will not be notified of any updates in their system, of any files being uploaded or attached. For convenience, the Send button is located on every page. Communicating using notes. Notes can be added within the organizer binder, or for each requested item under every section. It acts as a tool allowing clients and auditors to communicate or highlight any contentious matters. They can also be used to raise questions, comment about the attachment, or inform about the updates. There are again two simple ways to key in the notes. Number 1. Choose the Notes option from the main page, or Number 2. Select the three dots icon next to each requested item tab, and select Add Note. Once Notes or Add Note option is chosen, a dialog box will pop up. Key in the required fields and text for the notes, and hit the Save button at the bottom. When finished, the information relating to notes like the title, content in the notes, date, and the author of the notes can be seen in the Notes section. This allows the user to delete or edit the notes if required. Also take note that multiple notes can be raised for each section or requested item. We've come to the end of our tutorial video on how to use the Engagement Organizer. Thank you for watching.